Yo, what's up, man? So, I told you that I'm going to try my best to remove this whale tail. Damn, that looks bad. So I just pulled this off, and I hope that's oh, that's grease. Okay, I'm about to say I hope that's grease on the battery terminals because that did not look good at first. I thought it was burnt up or melted. So I'll show you what I did. I'm taking this, trying to get this back center piece off the Gixxer. So bear with me. I went ahead and removed all of these bolts, right, and these push pins, and I'll show you where they go. This is not new. This bike has been around for a while, so to initially get this off, you need to remove the side pieces here, which is screwed in right there, and then it has some Velcro there, and then you have like little push-ins or whatever, little push where it fits in, it plugs in like right there. Next, you have some bolts here, and then you have the bolt for the seat, and that's on the side as well as the bolt right there for the seat. Once you take the seat off, you also need to take this seat out to uncover that. Once you get here, there's two more bolts. One, two, right? And then 3, 4. There is one bolt inside there that has to come out as well. That is going to be the last bolt that holds the whale tail in place. I know a lot of people get frustrated and they just try to yank it out because it is at a weird angle. So you're going to try to find a spacer and a ratchet, try to get out of there, or I might be able to just get a screwdriver in there. Who knows? But I'm going to try. But once that's gone, come underneath, and you got 4 more of these little push pins, 2 on each side. Once you take that down, this piece should now free up. Now, when you get ready to pull it off, there is 2 like heavy grommet push pins right there, as you can see them. All you got, it feels like you're gonna break it, but all you do is literally just apply pressure to each side and kind of push out with your thumb like that until they pop out. Once they pop out, all of this, oh, I forgot these 2 right here too. Oops, sorry. Forgot these little holes there. But once you get these out, it should come loose, as you can see. Now, I was going to wait until I get an integrated tail light or the new Raid Cycle fender eliminator. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do just yet, but I just can't stand to see this thing anymore, and so I feel like it just has to go. So I'm going to try to see what I can do to make this work. That means I'm going to have to go without tail lights. Well, not tail lights, but rear signals until I get that in. So we're just gonna see how it looks, man, because this thing looks so ridiculous on there. But I'm gonna chop these videos up to make it all work for you. I just want to kind of show you some content on what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Now, I'm not really like opposed to working on my own bike. I had my Riker, I had my Harley, and I took everything apart over there. If you guys want to check out that build series, you'll see me taking everything apart from that Harley, just about. And the only thing I didn't take out was the damn motor. But so I'm not really super intimidated. I just haven't had a sport bike in a while. So it is kind of a little intimidating because it's a different format, man. So, you know, and there's a ton of different bolt sizes on this thing, so it's kind of crazy. You just got to keep up with what you're doing so you don't get lost in the sauce, and then you're trying to figure out where that bolt went. So anyways, I'll be right back. All right, what up, what up? All right, so we got this out. There was a little pesky bolt in there that actually fit right there. So here's your tail light. At first I thought it was the tail light that needed to come out, but you don't have to. But there is another one that goes down there. And you're only gonna be able to see it once you actually take all 4 bolts out and drop this whale tail down. You'll be able to reach it. So now that those are off, the whale tail is off. Pretty simple, straightforward. All right, so we went ahead and finished. I did take off the whale tail there. We're gonna roll with this until we get some more thing, but there it is. I gotta fix one of the little pieces, the little fins up here. I didn't poke it in all the way when I buttoned everything up, and I didn't notice it, but looks good. Looks way better without that thing, that monstrosity off the back of it. So this is gonna be a quick temporary fix, man. Because like I said, I don't want to roll around. You can see the plate. I have it on there with some industrial Velcro. Lots of it for now, but you know, get to where I can fix it, get a fender eliminator, proper one, it'll be all good.